how to get Minecraft for free in PC. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our browser right here. And then once you're now on your browser, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on our search bar and then search for Minecraft free trial. And then click enter. So keep in mind that the Minecraft version that we're going to download is only a free trial. So if you're looking for a free trial version of the Minecraft, then you are in the right video. So once you're now here, of course, the next thing that we need to do is to click the first link right here. So just click this, and then you will be redirected into this part. And then what we're going to do next here is to just scroll down until you see this trial downloads. So just choose which operating system you're using. So if you're using Windows 10 or 11, you can click this. If you're using PlayStation, click this. Or if you're using Android, just click this. So there's two different kind of Minecraft edition right here, which is the Bedrock and Java edition. So just choose which one you would like to use right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this Java edition. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to click on this Windows 10 and 11. So just click on that. And then let's wait for this to finish. And then once it's installed, just click Open File. And then just click I have read and accept the Microsoft Software License Terms. And then click Install. After that, just wait for the Minecraft installer to be finished. And then you will now be able to play Minecraft on free trial. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to get Minecraft for free on PC.